Food processors are essential kitchen appliances that make food preparation a breeze. There are many products available to choose food processors, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best food processors from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja Food Processor. The Ninja BN601 Professional Plus Food Processor is a powerful kitchen appliance with 1000 peak watt motor and 9-cup processing bowl. It features 4 Auto IQ intelligent preset programs with 3 speeds, quad chopping blade, dough blade, reversible slicing and shredding disc, and 20 recipe inspiration guide. Customers have praised its performance, customer service, ease of use and cleaning, and adjustable slicer blade. Number 2. Vegetable Chopper for Slicing. The Hamilton Beach 10-cup food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance that can slice, shred, mince, and puree. It features a bowl scraper attachment to keep ingredients close to the blades for more even results, a 10-cup capacity, a large feed chute, a reversible stainless steel disc, and 2 speeds plus pulse. Customers love its powerful blending and mixing, ease of use, and easy cleanup. Number 3. Cuisinart Food Processor. The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is a powerful and reliable kitchen tool. It features a 720-watt motor, a Lexan bowl, extra-large feed tube, detachable disc stem, and stainless steel slicing, shredding, and chopping/mixing blades. It also comes with a 5-year warranty on the motor and a 3-year warranty on the product. This food processor is perfect for making dips, purees, soups, and sauces, and is easy to clean and use. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance. It features a 450-watt motor, 2 speeds plus pulse control, a 12-cup capacity, stainless steel blades, and a large feed chute. It is easy to assemble and use, with a simple function guide printed on the food processor. It is BPA-free in all food zones and is perfect for preparing fresh ingredients quickly and easily. Number 5. KitchenAid KFC 3516 IC 3.5 Cup Food Chopper. The KitchenAid KFC 3516 IC 3.5 Cup Food Chopper ICE is a convenient and compact countertop appliance that is perfect for small kitchens. It features a locking blade, handle, and pour spout for easy serving and is dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. It has 2 speeds and a pulse setting for coarse or fine results, and the stainless steel multi-purpose blade locks in place for convenient pouring. Customers love the small footprint and powerful chopping capabilities, but some have experienced issues with the puree setting.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.